Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about on what causes the error 43 in Roblox and how to fix it. Some causes for this error is a corrupted Roblox cache folder or a DNS server, hardware band, interference from a VPN service, or Roblox services is down, which is mostly rare to happen. The first method for this tutorial is to clear the Roblox cache folder, because it is one of the most common reasons users get this error. To do that, hold the Windows plus R key to open run, type in local app data and run, press OK. Right click on the Roblox folder and click delete. Then type temp in the File Explorer address bar and press enter. Right click on the Roblox folder and click delete. Open your browser, go to Roblox website and launch the game and see if the problem persists. Second method is to change your DNS server, because you might get this error in your default server. Maybe it is not stable. If your DNS server is slow, it will translate to slow connection speeds that may trigger the error. To change your DNS server address, hold down Windows plus R key and to open run, type ncpa.cpl and click OK. On the Ethernet window, right click on it and then press Properties. Choose the Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Tick the use following DNS server address option. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1111. In the alternate DNS server, type 1001. Click OK to save settings and restart your PC. The following method is to allow Roblox through Windows Defender Firewall, because in some cases Windows Defender Firewall can block Roblox from connecting to its servers. Head down and hold the Windows plus R key to run. Type firewall.cpl, go to allow an app or a feature through Windows Defender Firewall and locate the Roblox and make sure it is checked. After you finish, click OK to save change. But if you're at this point and the problem persists, just uninstall and reinstall. Just try and reinstall the Roblox app. It would definitely fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you a lot.